AOL CNC is located in the beautiful spring city of Jinan. The company was founded in 2010, focusing on flexible material cutting equipment for 12 years. More than 10,000 square meter plant. Annual output of cutting equipment 3,000 sets. All the time, AOL has always been to the best cutting equipment in China as a mission to become the global intelligent cutting leading brand for the division. In 12 years, served more than 25,000 enterprises and public institutions such as Zhuangzhong Bus, Zara, China Aerospace, CRRC, Samsung, China North Industries Group, China Aerospace Science and Industry, Toyota, Geely Automobile, Benz, Tsinghua University, Harvard Institute of Technology, Zhangdong University, and so on. Adhering to the customer-first business principle, layout of intelligent cutting equipment industry chain, strive to provide the ultimate enterprise value-added services for customers, assist the Chinese made with wisdom.